Emma, excitedly. Jack, is that you? Jack, turning around. Emma, oh my goodness, it's been ages. How have you been? Emma, I have been good, thanks. How about you? What have you been up to? Jack, I have been doing well. Work has been keeping me busy, but things are great. Do you have some time to catch up? Emma, absolutely. Let's grab a coffee and chat. There is a nice cafe just around the corner. Jack, so Emma, what's new with you? Emma, well, I have started a new job recently. It's been challenging, but I am enjoying it. How about you? Still at the same company? Jack, no, I actually switched jobs last year. I am now working as a project manager for a tech company. It's been a great change. Emma, that's fantastic. Do you like it? Jack, yes, a lot. The team is wonderful and I'm learning so much. What about your new job? What do you do? Emma, I'm a marketing coordinator at a fashion brand. It's a lot of work, but I love the creative aspect of it. Jack, that sounds perfect for you. You have always been so creative. Do you remember those art classes we took together? Of course, those were the best. I still have some of the drawings we made. Jack, me too. I can't believe how much time has passed. Speaking of the past, do you still keep in touch with anyone from school? I do actually. I meet up with Sarah and Tom occasionally. What about you? Jack, I see Sarah sometimes, but I've lost touch with Tom. It's good to hear he's doing well. He is. We should plan a reunion sometime. It would be great to get everyone together again. Jack, definitely. Let's make it happen. So, any exciting plans for the future? I'm thinking about taking a course in graphic design. It's something I've always wanted to do. What about you? Jack, that sounds amazing. For me, I'm considering doing some traveling. I've always wanted to explore more of Europe. Emma, that's a great idea. Travel really broadens your horizons. Where do you want to go first? Jack, I'm thinking of starting with Italy. I've heard it's beautiful. Emma, it is. You will love it. I went there a couple of years ago and it was incredible. Jack, I will have to get some tips from you before I go. It's so good to catch up, Emma. We shouldn't let so much time pass before meeting again. Emma, I agree. Let's make sure we stay in touch. How about we exchange numbers and plan that reunion? Jack, sounds perfect. Here's my number. Let's not be strangers anymore. Emma, definitely not. It was great seeing you, Jack. Jack, you too, Emma. Take care.